Hey guys, so this video is going to be on how I installed this beautiful I don't know what is this. It's a new viral wig, I guess, viral style by Tae. I also saw Ming Lee with it, and I just wanted to jump on the trend, so you guys can stay tuned to see how I achieved this look. I didn't, however, film the whole process of me dyeing the wig. But if you guys want this wig, um, like custom made, custom style, custom color, you can WhatsApp the number on the description box. I'm gonna leave all the information in there. Otherwise, you can purchase our 613 ready-made frontal wig on our website, bellissima.premiumhair.com. Okay, so the rest of the video is just me installing this wig. You guys can just just pay attention, I guess. Like, I can't really explain much to what I'm doing, but you can definitely see and learn from what I'm doing. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I
I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Else. Yeah. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Else. Yeah. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Else. Yeah. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Else. Yeah. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Else. Yeah. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Else. Yeah. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Else. Yeah. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Else. Yeah. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Else. Yeah. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just just what you want. You're the one I trust.
Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And do follow us on Instagram at Bellissima_premium hair, Facebook Bellissima Premium Hair. And yeah, see you guys on the next video.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want.